I guess today I want to do a unboxing and review on my new headphones that are also a speaker with it as well. It's a 2-in-1 combo, so let's go ahead and check it out. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this in for review. So let's go ahead and check them out. Manual. It's like a lanyard. Type-C to USB. Wow, that's kind of neat. I didn't see something like that. So that's the Bluetooth speaker. And these are the headphones. Already working. Let's try this out. They feel good on the ear. The one thing that I do like is that they do go around the ear, just because like at the gym, like the headphones that I use, like they're just like AirPods, they're always falling out. So this might be a better alternative, something I'll have to try out. But let's get it hooked up, see how this sounds. We'll put some music on it and then we'll go from there. All right, and then to pair it, we're just gonna hold this button right here.
Power on, pairing.
Okay. And they're the JM13 Pros, which showed up on here.
Connected.
Easy peasy. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. So I put it all the way to the max. That's actually not bad considering the size of the speaker, so that's pretty neat. So as you can see, everything just sounds really good, whether the headphones or the speaker. The other cool thing is it's also water resistant, so that's very nice to have. So whether it's the headphones, you're sweating or whatever, or your speaker gets a little wet, no problem. The other thing is on the headphones, you can actually accept calls on them. So if you're wearing them, it also has a mic built into them, so you don't have to worry about that. The other cool thing is on here, it has two other buttons, that plus and the minus. If you short press it, it will change the song forward. The minus will send it back. And if you long press it, it'll increase the volume so it's a little louder or decrease it. So just based on what I see here, go ahead and check it out. Highly recommend.